Today we're going to learn the letter A. Learn how to find the letter A on the keyboard. Okay. We are going to look at the keyboard and you're going to see a set of 2 black keys. Then you're going to see a set of 3 black keys. 2 black keys. Then you're going to see another set of 3 black keys. 2. Then a set of 3. A set of 2. A set of 3. And a set of 2. And then a set of 3 black keys. Okay, so we want to find the letter A. We want to find A on the keyboard. Okay, to do this, you are going to find a set of 3 black keys. We'll start in the middle of the keyboard. So this is a set of 3 black keys. Okay, A is going to be the second note after the first black key. This is A. Okay, let me repeat that. Let's do it another way. You have a set of 3 black keys, and the letter A is the second key after the black note. Okay, set of 3. A is the second key after the black note. Okay, and you can find A anywhere on the keyboard. So you have 3, a set of 3, a set of 3, a set of 3 black keys, a set of 3 black keys. So if I want to find A here at the top of the keyboard, A. Okay, here's a set of 3, and this is A. Here's a set of 3, A. Here's a set of 3 black keys, and you have the letter A. And then we go from A to B, C, D, E, F, G. And then it starts all over again. A, and if you notice, A, you have the 3 black keys. A is exactly right here. Thank you.